The 1916 Easter Rising explained for beginners. The 1916 Easter Rising was a turning point in Irish history, yet many are unsure what actually happened. In simple terms, it was an armed rebellion staged in Dublin during Easter week, April 1916, by a group of Irish nationalists determined to end British rule. Their goal was to establish an independent Irish republic, free from centuries of control. The leaders, including Patrick Pearse, James Connolly, and Thomas Clark, seized key locations in Dublin, with the General Post Office becoming their headquarters. From its steps, Pearse read the Proclamation of the Irish Republic, declaring Ireland a sovereign nation. However, the Rising faced huge challenges. The rebels were outnumbered, poorly armed, and lacked widespread support at the time. British forces quickly surrounded the city, bombarding Dublin with heavy artillery. After 6 days of fierce fighting, the rebels surrendered, leaving much of the city in ruins. Nearly 500 people were killed, many of them civilians caught in the crossfire. At first, many Irish people criticized the Rising for the destruction it caused, but the British response changed everything. The execution of the leaders shocked the nation and transformed public opinion. What seemed like a failed rebellion became the spark for a much larger independence movement. For beginners, the Easter Rising is best understood as the moment Ireland's modern fight for freedom truly began. Though defeated militarily, it ignited a spirit of resistance that eventually led to the War of Independence and the creation of the Irish Free State just a few years later. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos on YouTube.